Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Excel workflow automation, and in this automation there is an update to this file where we are tracking the employee against the job location and the number of hours. Then we are making a dashboard which is showing the hours based. So these are hours. Uh, so it's showing the number of hours spent by each employee in a particular selected date range, and this is the total payment by each employee. Then these are the total hours by the location, total hours. And here you can select a user where you can see the list of his number of hours and the total spend. There at the bottom there are a few charts which are showing some visuals like the same numbers which are on the top. Those are distributed on multiple ways on the bottom. So we have added a new tab calling the weekly employees total. So here you can see it will show all the weeks available in the database from this beginning to end. And it's starting from 10. So currently we have the week number 10. And this will show the total of the week, which might not be a relevant number for you. Now here is a section where I think I can divide this by a thick line so that you can have a proper recognition on that. So maybe I think I should format it in a way. Okay, I'll give them a thick border so that we can have these section wise things, the by the employee wise. Okay, like this. So I'll have a thick border in between the each employee. So this is how it's representing. So the requirement was to add an extra column where anyone can enter a number, and those will get added up into the weekly total for that particular employee. And here I have given a list of the payment methods. Again, the list of the payment method available is here, which you can always modify. Let me make it red. So I have added these as random text, and those will be available under the drop down. So whatever the change you will make in the list, that will reflect in under these drop downs. And here you can always add any of the number, which could be a bonus or extra, and that will get totaled up in the uh, total column for each employee. And you can go one by one, and these employee will be getting fetched automatically directly from the database. So all the employees will be seen in here in alphabetical order. All right. So I have added another chart on the left side with a plus sign. You can always click on this plus sign, and this will give you a quick summary of the of each employee and the total. So this one is showing for the week number 10, Abner has $972 so far. Diego has 1200. Lindenberg has 1740, and Ulysses has 300. So as soon as the number gets updated, let me make a change in here, maybe 50. You can see the number got updated in here. So this is where you can keep a record by entering the bonuses manually and selecting the payment method. And once you are done with it, you can always have this chart generated, and you can pay them by using this chart instead of hovering around on this side. Once you are done with it, you can always minimize the sign. I have kept it for a number of almost 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I've kept this space for 11 users so far. But if the number of employee will get changed, we can always stretch it on the right side and add more columns. Once you are done with it, you can click on this minus sign, and you will be again presented with the employee one by one. So this is Abner. Maybe I can change the name font of the text so that you can have a better idea. So this is what I'm going to apply the formatting on all. All right. So now these will be the highlighted. So these are the employee names so that you can easily recognize each and everyone. And so this is the tab for the weekly employee totals. Now there is another tab created, weekly job total. So this is job based on job location. Maybe you can call it job location totals. And here you can see again the weekly. It's a weekly thing, but I've given a total number as well at the top as well. So you don't need to create another separate tab for that. And I have also created it in a way that you can always see the headings like this. So if you will scroll down to the maybe on the later months or later week numbers, you can always see all of these in here. Okay, so this one is showing that these are the job locations available, and these are the totals. And I have to create this. I have to like improvise the chart on the database. I'll show you the changes I have made on the database so that you can always have an idea on that side as well. So now this is showing that on a particular week number, this particular location has this much amount. This particular has this one. Rows doesn't have any numbers so far, which are reflecting the database as well. So I have checked. There is no numbers available in this one as well. Below it has only one entry, which is I think week number 10. So yes, this one has only the number in the week number 10. Week 11, 12 doesn't have anything. All right, and yep, once the job location increase, those will get added up automatically in here. So you have to make the changes only in the yellow cells again. Those are these cells, and other than these cells, you don't need to make any change in any of the cells. And I will lock all of these as well and keep these unlocked so that you can only make the changes in these only. Okay, no changes has been made in this side. However, I have added this rate column, which is visible now, so that we have more space and we have accommodated all of these buttons as well. Why I added this as well, because this is the part of the addition. So as soon as you add a number of name of the employee and the date, these also gets updated automatically. So I'm just showing you so that you can always keep a record of as well. So for example, if you change uh, per hour of any particular number of any particular employee, and you want to see that, like for example, if I'll make the change for any of the employees, let me make and that will get reflected automatically in here. You can always track that as well. So it's a good thing to keep a record of the rate per hour thing as well. So for the weekly job location, I have added another section on the right side, which will be visible with a plus sign. Not currently. Let me show all of these and then add the plus sign so that you can easily track that part as well. So I have also added this heading that this side is for the job based automate amount calculations. All right. So now these are automatically hidden as well, and you can always click on this plus sign to see. I don't think so. You need to do that, but in case. So these are the updated thing on the other side. The only thing I would like to repeat here is that, for example, if you add a new day and you don't want this, do not remove it from the rows. Just select the data which you want to select and delete only that part. Do not remove the rows. Do not delete rows or columns, or do not add any rows or columns. So that's the only thing I would like to repeat here. And I have also updated this button, the clear database. That will what that will do. So the clear database, what it will do, once you are in the next year, obviously you don't like to keep the record of whole year in one tab. It's good practice to keep different sheets for different year in case the data gets lost. You will always have the record of the previous year as well. So I have added this updated this button that once you are creating the new file and clearing this database, this will also clear these columns, which are the manual entries as well. But again, another disclaimer, make a copy first and then use the clear database. Do not clear database on the main file. All right. Let me repeat. One, make a copy of the file and then clear the database. Do not clear the database on the main file. I hope this makes sense. So that is it from my side. Please do let me know if you need any further assistance or anything I messed up or not clear. Do let me know and we can make things clear and proceed accordingly. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.